Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. After a long time we have meeting. Today the discussion of the topic is 500 leakage rectification and butterfly installation of site experience. Before going to the video, please subscribe and do the support. Actually this area is excavated for installation of 500 butterfly wall, but due to some uncertainty conditions we left like that after 1 month of the excavation. जितना पानी निकल रहा है उतना पानी आ रहा है. So due to the rainy season, the water coming as a flood like that flood. So the flood water total was filled by the trench and the pipe was lifted up. Then we are decided to remove and new laying the pipe simultaneously. We are also fix the butterfly wall to control and regulate the water flowing in the pipeline for the recommended villages. Then we are taking the action immediately and call the excavator needful. Dewatering is to be done with the excavator and also with the submersible pump. The assembling and the checking of the butterfly wall all was done at the yard, and you are seeing the clip of the checking checking and opening of a butterfly wall अभी क्लोज करो by our fitter. क्लोज करो. बाकी ये पूरा अपना नहीं होगा काहे कि लकड़ा है. ठीक है नीचे जमीन है ना नहीं हो पाएगा. पूरा क्लोज करो. I want to add a point here. The arrow mark which indicates on the butterfly wall, it shows the opposite end of the spigot. After successful completion of dewatering and the assembling of the 500 butterfly wall, we need to fix it in the place. We are doing the same here. The clip shows you to the after the successful completion of the butterfly wall and pushing the another pipe. For filling that gap, you need to cut a small piece of the pipe of same dia. For that, we have to do the same process of the first to last, which means first process is cutting and then grinding. After that, pushing of the pipe. But pipe not available at site. After 1 hour of waiting, it takes the time to reach the site. After successful reaching of the pipe, we have unloaded it in the 15 minutes, and the work is going on without a delay. Due to late night, the labor feeling hungry, so that is the responsibility to get some food for the labor. After the successful grinding and cutting of the pipeline by measuring, we are trying to set it right, and the fitter gives the signal to the machinery. We are using one excavator and 2 JCBs for lifting and for gap closing. Almost it was the late night. The time in that situation is 11 o'clock, but the time is not the real factor. Due to the late night, we have to see the safety of the labor, and after the work, we are not getting any liquids by the gap closing. That is the main and only main factor after the safety of the people. A keen observation is to need for gap closing by the machinery, and the fitter is always active in the site in the difficult time, and also engineer is also very positive minded in that time. If not like that, it is the completely it gets another time leakage. So keenful and needful observation is required. Finally, it was successfully laid, and after that, we have to check with the accepted by pushing into the gaps. After that, the backfilling was to be done simultaneously. If not, the rainwater comes to the trench and will uplift the pipe again, and then we have to repairing to be done again. To avoid this condition perfectly, we have to check the total work. After the work has to be completed, and now this was the clip after the completion of the work.